Hello kids, let's learn snake names. King cobra. This is a king cobra. Python. This is a python. Rattlesnake. This is a rattlesnake. Anaconda. This is a anaconda. Garter snake. This is a garter snake. Boa constrictor. This is a boa constrictor. Coral snake. This is a coral snake. Black mamba. This is a black mamba. Rat snake. This is a rat snake. Sand boa. This is a sand boa. Milk snake. This is a milk snake. Hognose snake. This is a hognose snake. Tiger snake. This is a tiger snake. Veiny snake. This is a veiny snake. Wolf snake. This is a wolf snake. Gaboon viper. This is a gaboon viper. Sidewinder. This is a sidewinder. Sea snake. This is a sea snake. Black king snake. This is a black king snake. Indian cobra. This is a Indian cobra. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel for more updates.